welcome to the Windup Project. I'm Marla Mogul. I have been collecting Windup toys for over 30 years. I have more than 1,000 Windup toys in my collection. My intention is to share the joy, the fun, and the laughter that I get from these toys with the rest of the world. Today I'm featuring dinosaurs. Dinosaurs make such cute toys, and dinosaurs are huge in the Windup world. There are so many Windup dinosaurs in my collection that today I can only share a few of them with you. The first one is so cute. This one is a Triceratops, and it's so cute because it's pink and it's got the green over there and those pretty serious little antlers, and he's got pretty cute eyes. Next one is also a Triceratops. This one has a lot of interesting coloring in it. It's kind of purple and blue, and look at that cute little face. Instead of walking, it twirls around. Yet another Triceratops. This one is a clear plastic brown. You can actually see inside. It's got white spots, and the legs move while it walks. And the head goes back and forth. Oh, that is so cute. I am loving that one. Next, the Brontosaurus, and this is a very cute, friendly Brontosaurus. It's again got that clear plastic so you can actually see inside of the toy, and it walks on its legs and the head bops up and down. Next up is a Stegosaurus. Again, one of the clear plastic, and it has this on its back, which makes it identifiable, and one horn. There's a nice side view, so you really get the entire picture. Here's an all-time favorite, T-Rex, and this one is adorable. It's orange and it's standing up. Check out that face, back, and the tail, and just adorable. That one just hops around pretty quickly. I don't know if dinosaurs move that fast, but that one's pretty excited. And next we have an Allosaurus, which is the same type of wind-up toy as the T-Rex that we just saw. You can see all the spots on its back and just that cute little face. And this one will also jump around quickly. And I think he's a little top heavy. Look at that. Whoop. Whoop. Just keeps doing that. Yeah, it doesn't go too far. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed these cute little toys. And if you like what you saw here today, please subscribe to my channel and keep smiling. Thank you, Renee.